To make easy, no-sew fairy wings out of cellophane and wire. First, sketch a basic outline of a fairy wing on a piece of poster board and add veins or swirly shapes on the inside of the wing. Next, place heavy-duty 50 to 55 pound, 23 to 25 kilogram wire on top of your sketch. Be sure to bend the wire until it matches the wing's outline. Leave a wire stem about the length of your hand, sticking out of the bottom corner of the wing. Cut the excess wire off with heavy-duty wire cutters. If necessary, use a piece of silver foil tape to hold the outline together. Then, bend thinner wire to match the inner swirly shapes in the wing. Trim the wire with wire cutters, and secure the ends of the wire to the outline with foil tape. Roll out enough clear or colored cellophane to fit your wing, plus a little extra. Then spray the cellophane liberally with spray adhesive. Place the wire wing on top of the cellophane. Roll the cellophane back over the wing until it's completely covered, and cut the excess cellophane off with scissors. Smooth down the cellophane around the outline and inner shapes with your fingers. Cut the wing out, leaving behind a 1-inch, 2.5 centimeter border all around. Set the wing down on a flat surface and stack a few books on top of it while it dries. Use the same technique to create a second cellophane wing that matches the first one. By the time you cover the second wing with cellophane and cut it out, the first one should be dry. Cover each wing with a piece of printer paper, then press it for a few seconds with a dry iron, no steam, using the lowest heat setting, working your way from one side of the wing to the next. As you iron the wing, the cellophane will shrink, crinkle, and seal around the wire. Trim off excess cellophane. Be sure to leave about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, or 0.32 to 0.64 centimeters of a border around the outline wire. Cut a strip of 50 to 55 pound, or 23 to 25 kilogram wire, and bend it into a narrow U shape that is 2 to 3 fingers wide and a little taller than your hand. Align each wing's stem with each side of the U. Wrap foil tape around the U-shaped wire from one end to the other to secure the wings. Finally, put on a strapless dress or corset and slide the wings down your back. The dress or corset will hold the wings in place against your back.